The LiftMaster CAPXLV provides residential community managers with a scalable, cloud-based solution to control multiple entry points, including vehicular gates and residential buildings. With the MyQ Community Control web application, you can easily review recent activity, see your device status, and watch live streaming video and recorded access events. This gives you visual confirmation of who is coming and going to enhance your security. Streamline your access management by allowing residents to conveniently manage and control property access. This delivers a safe, modern living experience. Your residents can also safely schedule and control guest access through the guest management webpage. They can easily set up guest lists for one-time, multi-day, or reoccurring events. This ensures that guests will receive a trackable entry code versus a resident's personal code. Always know exactly who is coming and going. The CAPXLV and MyQ Community Control let you remotely manage community access with a unified solution that provides convenience and peace of mind for you and your residents. The CAPXLV from LiftMaster, powered by MyQ.